Hii view nimesema lazima ni record. You rarely see such beautiful places in Uganda. Hii ndio Kericho ya huku. Kericho ya huku. Hii ni majani chai, man. It's an amazing view. Barabara iko safi, ni carpet. Lakini sasa hii yao ni just for a few kilometers. Hii barabara inaenda to a city, ndio maana iko hivi. Ukishapita hiyo city ni wewe na Mungu wako. Hata unaweza kufa. Na wanataka ocean. Naona wako na kampuni ya majani chai ya huku, ndio hiyo hapo. You can see it. Sio large scale kama ya Kenya, but you know Kenya is the capital city of inaitwa Tamteko hiyo. Kenya is the capital of Africa, so unajua lazima tu tutakuwa na factories kubwa kubwa. Otherwise hii view ni amazing. Nimesema lazima niweze kucapture. This is a highland region, of course. Vile mnajua tu tea grows in highland areas, and this is a highland region kwa sababu iko closer to Rwenzori mountain ranges. Yeah. Naona hiyo view. These are hundreds of acres of tea. Naona. Sajab. Enjoy that view, bana. Inaenda mpaka mahali panaitwa Kienjojo. Sasa penye tunaenda currently, unaona from here tunaenda kuanza Kibale National Park. From here sasa hapa kwanza utaona tumewekewa signs za wanyama. You're not supposed to litter here. Hapa we have elephants, we have gorillas, we have baboons, we have monkeys, antelopes. So you are not supposed to litter or feed the animals. These guys find you. Utakuwa kwa matatizo makubwa sana ambayo hujawahi kuona. You know what Ugandans and Tanzanians do to people that they don't like. Watakukwaza roho. Never want to come back here again. So this is Kibale National Park. These are some of the amazing views you'll see when you visit this western side of Uganda. nature like me. This is where you need to be. This is where you need to be. So here, I always find it best to drive at 50 kph in such environments, because you can be driving at 80 or 100 and you see a very big elephant ahead of you. If you collide with an elephant, of course, you'll also lose, because that's a mountain. Once again, this is Kibale National Park. In Uganda, we say Kibale National Park. You see? So these are some of the things that these are just some of the privileges you'll find, or you'll get once you become a truck driver. You see places that people don't regularly see. This is not a job. This is a calling. This is passion. You know? So for you, you have to pay. Well, lazima ulipe ndio ukuje kwa national park kama hii. Ama lazima ukue unapita uende. But for us, we can stop, we can take photos. You come to this country, by the way. Come to this country and see these things for yourself. Huh? I'm just showing you how Africa is. Huh? You need to see these things. They are ours. About politicians and politics. You come. In fact, we have COMESA, Common Market for East and South Africa. You can come to Uganda without a passport, provided you have a national ID. You can just come here. You know? So, look at this view. This is amazing. Nothing makes me so grateful like driving inside a forested region like this one. So around this place, as you can see, pale, kuna chimpanzee. We have a lot of chimpanzees. In fact, I think 2 weeks ago, I passed here and there were so many around this place. Currently, I think they are feeding. And it's morning hours, so if you want to see them, you come here at or during evening hours, you'll see them hovering around the road. If you love nature, man, yani hapa ni pale unaendesha gari yana na speed ya 50, unateremsha vioo chini, napunga unyunyu, unasikia utamu, unaangalia nature, Kibale National Park. Yeah, so tumeimaliza. So once again we go to Majani Chai. We go to Majani Chai here. Majani Chai here. This is a tea plantation. I don't know how you call them. Is it tea leaves plantation or whatever? For me, I don't care, provided you've understood what I'm saying. So this is a very beautiful place, and I think most island regions in any country, they're always good to look at. So that has been our adventure for Kibale National Park. If I find any other good place that you need to see or I need to share with you, I'll show you. Meanwhile, wacha chuma kitembee. Wacha mnyama atembee. See you, man.